Welcome. If you're searching for a smarter way to manage your job-related messages on LinkedIn using your PC, you're in the right place. LinkedIn's latest update makes it easier than ever to find and organize messages about job opportunities, recruiter outreach, and career networking. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the new process, so you never miss an important job message again. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top menu bar. There, you'll see the messaging icon. It looks like a little chat bubble. Click on it to open your inbox. Inside your messaging inbox, you'll notice LinkedIn now offers different sections to help you organize your conversations. To filter your messages, look for the section labeled Other. Click on it. This section is designed to separate less urgent messages from your main inbox, so you can focus on what matters most. Now, here's the key step for job seekers. Within the Other section, you'll see an option labeled Jobs. Click on Jobs to bring up all the messages that are specifically related to job opportunities, recruiter contacts, and company outreach. This filter is a game changer. It helps you cut through the noise and zero in on the messages that can move your career forward. By following these steps, you ensure that you're always up to date with the latest job offers and recruiter messages. No more scrolling endlessly or missing out on important opportunities. Make it a habit to check the job section regularly, respond promptly, and keep your conversations professional and concise. LinkedIn's updated messaging filters are designed to streamline your job search and help you connect faster with employers and recruiters. Give this new feature a try and take control of your LinkedIn inbox today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on optimizing your LinkedIn experience. Good luck with your job search.